from this customer car. Customer complaint is that the battery drains very rapid. You can see the key is on my hand. You can see I'm able to lift up and lift down the what's it called? Lift up and lift down the windows. Stereo is on, and what else? And I don't see the instrument cluster being on. The radio's on. Ignition coil, I don't think it might have it. You could check ignition coil 1, 2, 3, and 4. The one that are very close to it. Because I think our issue is, our issue from here. These right here, which is central timer module, generation, electronic module, remote anti-theft, personal module, radio, phone washer pump, lift gate, washer pump, wiper, motor. So what else it has? And then battery junction box. Let's go and check the fuses. I guess the ignition switch powers those. Sorry. I think the ignition switch powers those fuses when it's on start to run. So let's go and check those. And then I'm going to plug the fuses and the ignition switch and see what it does. Okay, let me recap so we could be on the same page. Customer complaint was that the battery would die, as you can see. Stereo stays on. Well, the key is off. The key is right there. The light's on. These windows don't work, so I'm not worried about that. As you can see, the window goes up and down. Same as these. So the master switch has control of everything. This at night does light up. Obviously it's daytime, so I can show you that. Let me go ahead and unplug that. Kind of weird that they will cause a bleed by two different circuits. The only way I could see that, because most of these they have, as you can see, I just unplugged that. Radio went off, the light went off, this went off, as you can see. And then we go ahead, pour key in, turn it on. Our radio turns on how it should. Our windows work as they should. And let me go ahead and take this off. Connect it right here. You can see our light stays lit. So that one I don't like. Let me go ahead and pop. Okay. You can see, with the key on, it lights up. Key off, it goes away. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to keep that disconnected. I'm going to leave the battery on. And so I can know what's going on with the customer, what the customer decides to do, and go from there. So now we took this off. Look over here. So we go here, and we go right there. As you can see, we're good. We're good. We're gonna put a new fuse, and that should be fixed. The video did cut out when I was explaining to you guys what I was doing. So hopefully I was able to save the video. If not, I'm gonna have to work on it. I'm gonna remove some of these boxes, and then we're gonna get some of these fuses right here. And then we're gonna get one of these 15 amps, and we are going to put it right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and test again. We're good. Brake pedal. Test again. We're good. Right there. Okay. I believe we have a faulty brake switch, because that light all the way over there is not lighting up. So let's go ahead and test this again. As you guys can see, I believe we do have a faulty brake switch. Sorry about that. As you guys can see, everybody does commit mistakes. We just have to learn from them and keep going forward. As you can see, light does lit right there. That is before our switch, and this should be after our switch. So there we go again. We're gonna check this. As you can see, I'm pressing the brake pedal. Brake pedal's bad. Brake pedal bad. Brake pedal switch is faulty. So the customer gonna need a four-wheel drive module plus a brake pedal module. Besides that, the car should be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. I might make a part 2 on this video, seeing whatever the customer want to do.